How would you like to earn a huge monthly residual income just by showing people how to give out free vacation incentives to their prospects and clients? Advertising Boost has revolutionized the vacation incentives industry with a subscription-based program that any business can afford. Advertising Boost has quickly become the world's top affiliate program because of the tremendous value and incredibly broad appeal of the program. Advertising Boost works for just about anybody in any industry, from e-commerce, informational products, professional services, retail, network marketing, business to business, and much more. In addition to earning 40% recurring commissions, you can recruit other affiliates to the program and make another 10% on all the members they bring in as well. We have affiliates who are making big time commissions in only their first month, and since we send out commissions every Friday, there's no waiting to get paid. In addition to earning huge monthly recurring commissions, we also pay out thousands of dollars each month in additional contest prizes. Plus, every Advertising Boost member is automatically enrolled into our Dream Car contest. Once you qualify, you'll be able to pick out your dream car, and we'll send you a check each month to cover the payment. So what are you waiting for? Become an Advertising Boost affiliate today, and we'll even give you access to our top performing video ads for you to use in your social media to start bringing in new members instantly. We look forward to making you the next Advertising Boost affiliate success story.